Ready?
Yeah.
Hello friends, welcome back to another Manly Man Tumbler. In this video, we're gonna do something a little different. If you've noticed, I have a really small guy standing next to me.
Yes, extremely small. Hard to miss me.
This is my fiance, Brandon. Also, if you missed the announcement, I'm engaged.
Yeah.
So Brandon today is going to do the voiceover for this tutorial. Because this is a man series, I thought it would be fun to have my man take part in it. So we've got a really very simple tumbler that we're gonna make in this video. Brandon's gonna do the voiceover for all of you, and I really hope you enjoyed it.
I'm really nervous about it, but hopefully I do okay.
Yeah, be nice to him in the comments, or you'll have to deal with me. If you want him to be on camera making a tumbler, we've kind of toyed with that idea, so let me know if that's something you want to see. Anything you would like to add?
Yes, join her Elite Fam. The link is down in the description. And please subscribe to her channel. Like this video if you enjoyed it.
Everything I use in this video is listed and linked down below in the description box, along with, like Brandon said, a link to join my Elite Fam. We do a lot of fun stuff in there. You get to have a little bit more of a personal relationship with us. Brandon comes on the lives every once in a while and hangs out. We do Zoom calls, we do exclusive content, all kinds of fun stuff happens in there. So if you want to join, that link is down in the description box as well. You'll find discount codes, social media, all of that down there. So be sure to check that out. And like I said, let us know what you think of this video. That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
See you in there.
Let's go.
We're starting this project today with a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. We're going to be doing a double vinyl wrap, and this will be a tattoo themed. We thought it was pretty cool, so we're going to go with it. I've done one of these in the past. It was just a single wrap, but I thought it was fun. I did it on a live in her Elite group. We're going to be measuring out the vinyl in order to trim the excess vinyl so that we can use it for another project at a later point in time. We're going to be using a straight line cutter to make sure our lines are straight for this project. Oh my god, why do I keep saying this project?
For this project only.
So now we're going to take our vinyl and our cup. We'll put our cup into the cup cradle, put our vinyl on top of it, and make sure that there's a small little gap at the bottom so that we don't have to cut the vinyl again. We just want to make sure it fits over there pretty perfectly. So now we're just adding tape to make sure that our vinyl stays perfectly onto the cup. It doesn't move or anything, and we want it to be a straight line. So then we're going to take the backing off of the vinyl so that we can fully wrap it. And we're going to use a big squeegee, not a small one, because the length of the cup is big. So we're going to squeegee this down, make sure you're pressing pretty hard so that we get a smooth appliance and we don't have any bubbles. We want to make sure that we take the tape off, otherwise you're going to have tape under there and that's not going to look very good. We'll continue to do the wrap, and then as soon as we get it fully wrapped, we want to take our craft knife to cut not a straight line and hopefully all the way through, just so that we can't see where the seam is going to be.
Taught him well. He knows that we do not cut straight lines around here.
So we're going to touch this up and make sure that there's no lips or anything, any jagged edges. We just want to make it a clean look. And then we're going to pull the top vinyl up so that we can cut off a small little piece of the vinyl at the very top, just to make sure that we have a little bit of stainless steel showing so that the epoxy can
form its final seal. Isn't he doing so good?
So now we're just going to use the crafting knife to cut the excess vinyl off first. Once that is going to be cut off, we're going to use a 45-degree new blade because the old ones will snag on the vinyl and you don't want like a jagged top. So we will be changing out the blade right now, get a brand new one on, and then at that 45-degree angle, we will just very lightly trim the top of it off so that we have a good
spot for the epoxy to adhere to.
Yes,
Yes.
that.
Good job.
So after that is complete, we have our first coat of vinyl. And we will be moving on to our next coat, which will be our little tattoo vinyl.
Semi-transparent. We are not doing epoxy in between these. We're just doing vinyl and then vinyl. 2 coats of vinyl, says Brandon.
2 coats of vinyl. So now we are measuring out our vinyl on our cup so that we can make our marks so that we can cut off our excess vinyl. We are cutting wavy. Not the wavy lines.
We're just waving.
Okay. Okay. No, we're not cutting wavy lines. We are cutting around the shapes so that we don't have a harsh seam. We are not cutting wavy lines. They just happen to be wavy.
Yeah, no willy-nilly wavies. We're just cutting around the shapes like we always do. You know, no harsh seams around here.
Now we're going to repeat the process of putting the cup in the cup cradle. We are going to tape our vinyl onto the cup so that we
So that we can put it on.
So you won't be able to see this entire process because while she was recording this on one of her lives in her elite group, I brought her down a LaCroix, being so nice that I am. And unfortunately, she forgot to restart the video. So you will see it cut out and we will just not have that footage for you. But it is the same process as before, where we just apply the vinyl and we make sure it's straight, cut our wavy line so it's not a harsh line, no straight lines around here. And then we will continue to trim the top to make sure that we have a little bit of stainless steel showing still.
See, you can see the LaCroix he brought me in frame now. It's his fault. It's not me. I'm perfect.
We will now be taping off the bottom so that we can apply some paint to the bottom. We do not have any epoxy on the cup yet, so that is not going to be in this video. We are just going to paint the bottom right now. We are going to use a paint pen, which is an option if you don't have real paint. And so we will just go to town with a black paint pen on the bottom of the cup. I promise you it does look very good. It will look like you just painted it with real paint.
Real paint.
Then when the paint dries, we're going to just add 2 coats of epoxy and then our cup is finished. Here's our final finish, our final form, if you will. We do have the cup right next to us, fully complete. It looks gorgeous. I would highly recommend doing this if you just want a very nice cup to use.
Okay, be sure to let Brandon know how well he did in the comments. He was very nervous to do a voiceover, but I think he did a great job. Also, let us know in the comments if you want Brandon to be on camera making his own cup. He's done it a couple times in my elite group, and he's like the cup king. He's really good at everything. So if you want to see it in a YouTube video, let us know down below in the comments. Give Brandon some love, and thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Love you. Bye. The link is going to be down below in the description.
The link's not gonna be in the description.
Oh,
It is in the description.
Oh my God.
It's not going to be because it is already there.
The link is down in the... I can't talk.
Yep. Yep. He knows all the things to say. So, what?
He knows all the things to say. What was he going to say?
Hello friends, thanks so much for watching this video. I want to say a huge special thank you to my Elite fam, my channel members, and my subscribers. You all make this channel possible, so thank you so much for being part of the fam. If you want more exclusive content from me, you can join my Elite fam at patreon.com/elitefam. You can find my tumblers and digital files on my website madebymalstudio.com. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, you can find me on Instagram at madebymal_studio. Here's another video for you to check out, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Love you. Bye.